Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add YouTube Shorts to WhatsApp status. Sharing your YouTube Shorts on WhatsApp status can help you reach more people and get more views. So let's go step by step on how to do it. The first step you want to do is to download the YouTube Shorts. And to do that, just open the YouTube app and find the shorts you want to publish. After that, tap on share and click on copy link. Now once you copy the link, use a video downloader like Y2Maze or Save to download the video to your phone. Just by copying and pasting the link in the area. The second step is to open WhatsApp and create a status. Now after downloading the video, just open WhatsApp and go to the status tab and then click tap add status and select the downloaded YouTube shorts. The third step is to edit and customize your status. And to do that, just add a caption like watch my new YouTube shorts or use emojis, text and stickers to make it more engaging. You can also paste the YouTube link in the text section so viewers can visit your video. And also post and share with contacts and tap the send button to your upload your status. You can also share it in WhatsApp groups for more exposure. For more tips, use a catchy thumbnail or first frame to grab attentions and keep your WhatsApp status updated regularly with new shorts and ask viewers to click the link and subscribe to your channel. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you add YouTube Shorts to WhatsApp status. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.